Happened a few days ago inside a locker room here at Fordson High School, and the nature of the harassment, the hazing, a little too graphic to say on television, and we're also not mentioning the names of the two players involved because they are minors. But today we are expecting a silent protest here at the high school to support the victim. And also there has been social media posts all over the place that have been speculating whether this is a case of sexual assault, and some are criticizing the school's response to the allegations. Now, the school sent out a letter to parents outlining the context of the hazing and how they are approaching the investigation. Dearborn School Superintendent Dr. Glenn Malenko addressed the concerns. Take a listen.
We deal with these in a swift and fair manner. We're taking it seriously. I believe there was some rumors of rape, which is not accurate based on our investigation. Again, the investigation is not complete.
Now, Fordson has suspended the player in question that's accused of the hazing, and we also know that there's still a football game tonight and that silent protest expected here later on this morning. For now, reporting live in Dearborn, Brian Abel, 7 Action News.